When I saw it online, it didn't appeal to me. Hubby urged on that we get it, so I went with him. Oh my. After setting it up, took us 2 hours, I fell in love instantly. Very sturdy and beautiful, and our Graco 28 by 52 standard mattress fit in perfectly with no gaps. I just hope the paint peeling won't be an issue, as someone pointed out. Love this crib. It only took my dad and I only 2 hours and 15 minutes to put together. Well made and great directions. It also came with the Toddler conversion, which I didn't realize. We love this crib. It's very sturdy and was easy to assemble, great value for the price. The quality of the materials is excellent. Gorgeous crib. I was able to put it together myself. And no mattress issues. Fit perfectly. Wise purchase. I've had this crib for over 2.5 years. I got it for my firstborn in 2018 and he used it up until it was a toddler bed. We now reassembled the crib for our second. It was easy to assemble. I was able to do it both times 8 to 9 months pregnant. Dropping the mattress and changing the railing to a toddler setting was super easy. The mattress we got is super snug in the crib, which made it more challenging to change sheets, but we had no issue with mattress size. As far as chipping and quality, we only have it at the bottom interior where we see. Absolutely beautiful in my baby room. Our manual was missing from package and the one on the website is incorrect. Ours didn't come with the base frame assembled, so we had to reach out to Babyletto, who did send the correct manual 2 days later, pick included. Once we had that, it was a breeze to set up and feels very stable. For reference, the Graco foam mattress fits perfectly, no gaps. Easy to assemble, about 1 hour total, very chic and clean look, nice quality. No dings or scratches. Best part about this purchase, I was on the wait list for Crate & Barrel to restock this item, which was in November. Then I found this on Amazon with free shipping. Saved me $70 and the wait. Very pleased with purchase. Gosh, it's just adorable. Amazing quality, heavy as hell. Just put this beauty together. I've had my eye on it for a while. I went with the Nook Pebble Air mattress and it fits perfectly. It's only about 10 minutes out of the box, so it has a little growing, height and firmness. To do so, keep that in mind with the pictures. Assembly was pretty easy and took about an hour. I put together an IKEA dresser last week and would say this was a breeze, especially in comparison. My only gripe is that it seems like a small crib. I am 5 and my husband 68 inches, so for me short is great, but for him not so much. Overall, I would buy again knowing it is quality materials. If you're looking for a good mattress, I highly recommend the Nook Pebble Air. Looks very nice. Have not tried it out because the baby is not yet here, but I know it's perfect. Looks great and beautiful. Sad that the convertible panel has a dent on it, which makes it looks less qualitative. Click link in description for more reviews.